Okay, let's get rocking again, huh? Yeah, let's get rocking again. That was a heck of a session, wasn't it? I know. Okay. I know. It's nice that we're done with it, isn't it? Okay, yeah, but we're working on the wing. Yay, good job. Nice job. You're a little bit upset, aren't you? Yes, that's it. Nice. Good job, baby. Good job. Nice job. Sounds like Sparky wants her turn. There you go. Okay, I'm going to dig back in here again, see if we can find something that's an appropriate size for a gray parrot who's just doing a fantastic bang-up job. Okay. There you go. There you go. You're making little noises again, I can hear them. There you go. I know. I know. This is kind of cool, isn't it? Can we try this one? Oopsies, we can't do that one. We can only do this wing? Okay, then. There you go. Nice job. That's the way. I don't know how I'm ever, even if I can get the harness on, I don't know how I'm ever going to get it off. I just don't know. Okay, can you do this? What? Just the wing. There you go. Good job, baby. Good job. I know, we don't want the foot. We just don't want the foot yet. Oh, come here then. These pieces are not whacked apart very well, are they? Okay. You're just having such a good time. I know, Sparky, you're doing a good job here. There you go. Okay, Peepers, are you ready? I don't know what I have in my bag with me. Okay, Big Peepers. We're still munching. Okay, Peepers, come here. Come on. Oh, I know. He's not ready, I guess. Peepers, are you ready yet? Okay, baby, come here. Yeah, come on. You can do it from there. I'm sure of it. Okay, baby, come on. Let's go. Not yet? Here, come on. Let's try to do it. Okay. Are you ready, baby? Can you do it? Go. Yes. Good job. There you go. Who knew that you couldn't take off from the table? Who knew that that was impossible? Okay, Peepers. Oops. Not you, Sparky. You can't fly yet. I know. Dempsey. Dempsey. Get out of there. Yeah, you get out of there. Peepers, are you ready or not? okay?